So today we've got a problem with the ice watch. It's dead. What we've ordered is, these are the Ronetta batteries. They're a 377 battery.
$1.99 for 5 is an absolute bargain off eBay.
So on this one, it's dead straightforward. We've just got a little tab underneath there. Stick the screwdriver under it and bang, off it comes. Seal looks good on that, which is brilliant. Now inside, we've then got this little plastic. We've got this little plastic ring there, which we need to just pop off like so. And now we can see the little battery there. And I think looking at that, we can just pop that out. Gently, gently, gently. It's got a little tab holding it there. Out with the old. Yeah. Out with the old, in with the note. Shot out like a little rocket, that one. Okay, and here's the new one. So we've just got to try and get that one back in again now. It don't look too difficult. I'm sure we can just drop that in there. Just drop that in there, slide that in. Bingo. Something like that. And it's working. Happy days. Okay, now just get the plastic cover back in. Like that. And then drop the back on. Just make sure we get the right way up. 12 o'clock is up, so we want that facing downwards, just to make it all look nice at the end. Put that on there and just strain it up slightly, maybe. Bingo, that's the back on, and there's the watch ticking away nicely. Brilliant. Nice. So there we go, battery's changed, watch is working as good as new. So yeah, just don't let that fool you. It's not a screw on back on this one, it is just a pop off, which makes it even easier. So if that's been of any use to you, drop me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.